Hi, my name is Jane. I'm calling from RecPro, and I'm here to introduce you to one of our newest water tanks. If you'd like to look it up on our website, the SKU number is RP-0165W. It's a really big one. It's 86 gallons. It's 55 by 22 by 18. This is made by Elkhart Plastics, one of the top manufacturers of water tanks. It is completely blank. There is what looks like a hole, but that's from the manufacturing of the tank. So you'll need our fittings kit, which we do sell. These tanks are custom made. It takes 3 to 4 weeks to order. And just so you are aware that they are non-returnable and non-refundable. So if you like what you see, click on the link below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. And always, as always, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro. Thanks a lot. Bye.